Morning. So what we're going to talk about today is a set of new wheels. Look at them. They are from Aliexpress, as usual. They are from a company called Elite Wheels. Various YouTubers talked about them previously, and I have to say they are very good quality. They are one of the biggest wheel suppliers on Aliexpress. So these are 50mm deep and 25 external wide. I've upgraded to pillar spoke, the bladed spoke, which is a little bit lighter than what they normally supply. And I've also asked them to pack it loose, so nipples, spokes and hub all separate. And I think it took about 12 days to arrive in the UK. Packaging is really good, really well protected, it's surprisingly quick, no tax as well, so that's all great, and I paid £291 for it. But before I do a deep dive, sort of deepish dive in this wheel set, just want to give you guys a quick update about the Cinderella videos. Some of you asked, where's it gone? The two of them. Well, YouTube decided to pull it because they were saying it contained counterfeit content, which is cool if they are doing it the same to all the other videos as well. But from doing a quick search on YouTube at the moment, there are still loads of Cinderella videos on there. Maybe in a funny way I should be not so naive and turn the comments off, because a lot of the others have comments turned off. There's always one or two people that just, you know, ruin the fun, basically. So last week I did a 4 hours ride, so relatively long-ish, no issue whatsoever. It is a bit heavy, so yeah. Anyway, I'm going to do some weigh-in on the wheel set. Just show you guys the hub that they sent through, and also, if I can, I'll do the free hub noise sound of the RS4. So yeah, stick around. So there you go, this is the wheel set. What I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh it, and then I'm going to also show you the free hub sound as well afterwards. As you can see, the pattern is quite cool. It's like a sort of zigzag, I guess. So Elite, they themselves do this pattern, which is a 12K pattern. They do a 3K pattern, which is a tighter weave, and then a normal gloss finish, and then the normal matte finish. You can then also ask for decal and no decal. So as you can see, I don't want a decal because it will look a bit weird on the wheels. Standard spokes is normally rounded, but I've upgraded for the pillar 1420, I think. So it's bladed. Not sure if it can pick it up or not. But yeah, it's bladed spoke, and I pay about 27 quid extra. So for $100 you can have Sapien 6 Ray spokes as well. Also, I'm pretty sure you can contact Elite and then they will fit whatever hub you want, but mainly they have DT Swits, and when I looked at it, they also have Bittex hubs as well, and Novatec. So I'm pretty sure you can ask them to put some decent hubs on it. So anyway, let me weigh them, and then after that I'll show you guys the free hub sound. Right, let's do the front wheel. So you can see 740 gram for the front. Right, the rear wheel. Let's turn it on. 0. 958 grams. So yeah, there you go. It's about 1.7-ish kilos altogether. It's not too bad, I guess, because we have a 50mm deep rims, stainless steel free hub body, so I'm more going for the durability and sort of the aerodynamic side of things. It's definitely not a climbing wheel set. I'm going to now move on to the free hub sound. It's quite loud, just warned you guys. Some people like it, some people don't. And then after this, I'm going to show you guys the Elite own brand hubs. So this is the fun part. What I'm going to do is to show you guys the free hub noise sound. So you know how loud it can be. I'll try and do my best. It's quite loud, isn't it? One more time. Anyway, that's enough. So with the RS4, as far as I'm aware, the hub itself has 2 pulls. So you could actually even make it louder by buying the Pro 4 version, which is the Pro 4 hub body is the mountain bike version. So it has 4 pulls on that. So you get more contact point. The whole reason the road hubs only have 2 is because they want to reduce drag. So so yeah, you could, if you don't think this is loud enough, you could even make it louder, which I don't think is necessary. Anyway, what I'm going to do next is to show you guys the hubs that Elite themselves normally use. I'm going to weigh them and I'm going to pull them apart just to show you guys what it looks like. Really quickly, just to show you what their standard hubs are like. So, well, black, centre lock, straight pull, aluminium body. It's quite well made actually. They are 3 pulls, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Yeah, you know, it's just box standard, isn't it? So let's put them on the scale. That's 225. So it is about 52, 54, 54 grams lighter than Hope, because the Hope hub was 279, and for the front it is 117. So that is about 21 grams lighter than the Hope hubs. So yeah, it's, you know, all in all is, you know, is well made. It's just a box standard cheap hub, which is easily serviceable. You just take it apart and you can buy the free hub body as well. So yeah, there you go. Like 3 pulls. I don't really like pulls, to be honest, because, you know, if you mash it hard enough, they will disintegrate quite quickly. So yeah, there you go. It's pretty straightforward. 3 pulls hub, nice and light, easy service. Can't really complain. Cheap and cheerful. For a wheel set that is £291, it's value for money, I would say. You know, can't complain about it. So there you go, a new toy. Overall, I'm really pleased. I think I spent about £690 total, including hubs, wheels, get someone to chew it, dish it, tighten everything up. So I think it's value for money, because you probably won't be able to find similar thing spec for less than like £1,000, I would say. Okay, it's not the lightest, but you know, if you're not 100% fussed about that, then it's all cool. I prefer the durability side of things. That's why I went for that hub. You know, you could use extra lights or carbon tie, you know, if you have the budget. Elite, they are good, I would say. This is my second set of wheels from them. My mate also used them for racing. They're always really responsive, really good with spare parts, so we never have any issues. I'm not sponsored by them, I just think they're great. So what I'm going to do is I'll put the link down below so you know what specific wheel set I've bought, and also you can have a look on the website and see what else they do, because they do millions of different things. They do various different hubs as well, so maybe you can even ask them to upgrade your hubs, so you don't have to spend all the time doing it. So the next step will be for me to go out for a ride, test it out, and then do another video just to give you guys some feedback. But you know, otherwise, thank you for watching. If you like it, press a thumb up. If you don't, thumbs down. Any questions, just let me know. I'm more than happy to answer them for you. I'll also put the price breakdown for this set of wheels, so you know exactly how much I've spent, and all the parts website as well. But until next time, I'll catch you later. Take care.